In this video, I'm going to show you how to take money out of Trade Republic. So the first thing you want to do, of course, in case you want to sell anything to be able to take money out, you want to sell that specific asset. So you want to go to the top left and go into the Wealth tab. And then from here, you want to find your assets you want to sell to be able to take money out. So for example, if I go to Crypto Wallet over here, and if I want to sell some of my Bitcoin, I want to tap on it over here. Of course, this will go for any investment or purchase you made inside Trade Republic. Then tap on Trade at the bottom right, and then you can go ahead and tap on Sell. And from here, you can go ahead and select how much you want to sell or do a custom amount, and then just basically click on Next or tap on Next bottom right, and you'll be able to sell that by tapping on the Sell button at the bottom right. Now, when you do that, of course, you will get the money into your account, and then you'll be able to take that money out. And of course, that's going to be very simple. Let me show you how. So you want to tap on Transfer bottom right, and from here, tap on Send. When you're inside the Send button, select where you want to send to. So here I have my bank account. You can add a new one if you wanna. Tap on your bank account, select how much you want to send, for example 10 euros, tap on Next. And after you do that, here you'll be able to go and confirm that by tapping Send again, and that's basically all you have to do. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.